Hello everyone! In this video we will learn Spacer, what Spacer does. In the previous video we have created the Turtle Rock text and Joshua Tree National Park text and the California. Here is our text. The Joshua Tree National Park and the California is in the horizontal stack, and in the vertical stack we also have Turtle Rock. This is our title, these are our subheadlines. And now we will learn what Spacer does. Spacer expands to make its containing view use all of the space of its parent view instead of having its size defined only by its content. So I am working in iPhone XR now, but my app is going to build in everywhere. Spacer puts the view to fit the entire screen. In this case, I have an XR, but even if I would have another device, it would fit the entire screen. Let's put the spacer. I'm gonna put spacer between of these two texts. I'm gonna say spacer. Here is my spacer. You see, the Joshua Tree National Park and the California fitted the entire screen, but there is not enough room for the text to breathe. It starts immediately. I can put padding here. I can say padding. Yes, I think it's better now. Yes, it is. It really is. And our Turtle Rock and Joshua Tree National Parks are ready, but I also need to have an alignment. So let's put leading alignment to our vertical stack. Yes. Okay, it is the same as here. In the next video, we will build a circled image here, and then map view, and then we will be ready. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.